You don't need anything but self-discipline when it comes to your robotic affirmations. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of self-discipline when it comes to robotic affirmations. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book my one-on-one coaching services, or if you would like to join my collective coaching, all of the information will be in the description box down below, or alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. If you are trying to tone your muscles, you go to the gym and you get your reps in, right? In order to see results. If you are losing weight, you go into a calorie deficit in order to see results. Now tell me, why the fuck are you not doing the same for your robotic affirmations? When a person has set out to get a huge juicy badonkadonk by going to the gym and deadlifting, they do not stop just halfway during their set or during those reps because they don't see the results, or because they're looking in the mirror, they're looking in the 3D and they're thinking, oh, I'm not getting a juicy badonkadonk yet. Like, no, like, are you dumb? Like, you know that you're going to see results, but you just need to keep getting those mother effing reps in, baby. And it is the exact same thing for everything, and robotic affirmations are no fucking different. Let's not be babies and let's keep repeating our affirmations, not changing them up. That gives very much insecure, that gives very much low self-concept, and I don't want my babies to have a low self-concept, and you don't have a low self-concept because it is upper echelon here only on this channel. We do not have anyone watching our videos with a low self-concept. So I don't want to hear you saying, should I change my affirmations because it's not working? Me, when I didn't believe the power of law of assumption and the power of myself and my manifesting abilities. It's embarrassing. Stop it. It is very simple. You keep repeating your affirmations just like you keep repeating those reps until you see the biceps. Keep repeating your affirmations as much as possible throughout the day. Do not look at your 3D. Be disciplined with it. I don't care if you're too lazy. I don't care if you're distracted. I don't care if you are feeling deflated, burnt out, whatever. At the end of the day, robotic affirmations work. You do not have to be a magician in order to keep repeating things like it's just your thoughts. Like, you do not need to be high vibe. You don't need to do anything extra. It is the easiest way of getting your stuff. So let's keep on repeating our affirmations, because we know that if we just keep doing the reps and we are disciplined with it, we do it mindlessly. Like, you mindlessly go to the gym, you're not thinking, oh, you know, it's a cold day outside, maybe I shouldn't wake up at 7 a.m. to go to the gym. You just go to the gym without thinking about it, because you know, if I go to the gym, I'm gonna have a fat badonkadonk. No matter how I feel, no matter what I'm thinking, no matter if I'm uncomfortable. That's what self-discipline is. That is how you should be acting when it comes to affirmations. And reps is just your body. This is your entire life. Like, you can manifest fame on YouTube. You can manifest being a millionaire. You can manifest a dream body without even going to the gym by putting those reps in your mind. Keep going, keep being disciplined with it. It's not about being harsh with yourself and having this self-hatred way. Like on TikTok, I saw, oh my god, I'm fatty McFat, like, let me go on a jog because I'm just so fat and that motivates me. No, we're not doing it that way because we love ourselves. We're not saying, I'm gonna force myself to do this because if I don't, I'm a piece of shit and I can't manifest, or I'm not gonna get my stuff. We're not operating out of fear. We are just professionals about this, and we are knowing that if we are repeating, Jake is obsessed with me, Jake is obsessed with me, Jake is obsessed with me, the outcome is going to be that of Jake being obsessed with you. So if you don't repeat those affirmations in a disciplined way, it's just that Jake is not going to be obsessed with you, and that's it. It's really as simple as that. So instead of being emotional about it. Let's be cold and neutral about it and professional. So we are thinking, hey, I'm going to be disciplined about this and I'm just going to mindlessly keep repeating it no matter how I feel. I'm gonna put those reps in every single day as much as I possibly can, and I'm not gonna stop, and I'm not gonna be a baby if I don't do it, but I mostly am going to be doing it because I'm a self-disciplined queen, I'm a self-disciplined king, and I've got this. This is easy. I'm just going to put my mind to it. The power of the mind is not a joke. So let's get those reps in. Let's keep repeating no matter how we feel. Okay? Whenever the opportunity arises, I'm going to be affirming. Every time the opportunity arises, I'm going to be affirming for what I am manifesting. When I am going to finish this video and I'm going to be floating in the pool, I'm going to be affirming. When I go to take my massage after this, I'm going to be affirming. When I'm doing my makeup for dinner tonight, I'm going to be affirming. When there's moments where I'm not having a conversation with my friend, I'm going to be affirming. When I'm on the plane tomorrow to go back to Sydney, I'm going to be affirming. And I'm not going to be making a storyline out of it, especially an emotional storyline out of it. There's no thinking involved other than the Jake is obsessed with me or whatever your affirmations are. I am not thinking, oh, why did I not affirm while I was having the massage? Now my manifestations aren't gonna come. Why didn't I affirm all this time before? Oh, I feel a bit down today. Maybe I shouldn't affirm. Someone who goes to the gym is not just not going because it's rainy, and even if they're not going, they're not making a storyline out of it. They're just going the next day. Do you see what I mean about discipline? It's not motivation and inspiration, it's discipline. So this is just cold-hearted, neutral, professional work that has no storyline attached. Okay, so we're not feeling bad that we didn't affirm, or we're not feeling bad for anything. We are just mindlessly, like robots, affirming. Despite how we feel, despite our emotional state, that is what self-disciplined is. Even if you do not feel like it, we are putting in the work consistently every single day. That is what is going to get results. And you know that. And it's time to be self-disciplined from now until forever, until you get your manifestation and then you move on to your next manifestation, which I'm so excited for. So let's be self-disciplined together and keep affirming as much as we possibly can. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!